today I'm going to demonstrate the chicken with numb and spicy sauce.
Ingredients are 2 pieces chicken thighs, half tablespoon Sichuan pepper, 1 teaspoon Sichuan pepper powder, half tablespoon chili powder, 60 grams roasted ground peanut, 30 grams roasted white sesame, 2 pieces hot chili pepper diced, a bunch of coriander teared up, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 150 milliliters vegetable oil, 3 slices ginger, 4 to 5 sections scallion, 1 teaspoon salt. Seasonings: 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon light brown sugar, half tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Rinse the chicken thighs, marinate with a pinch of salt and Shaoxing wine for 30 minutes, rinse and pat dry. Heat up 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a frying pan on high heat. Brown both sides of the chicken thighs, take out and set aside. Bring a small pot of water to a boil on high heat. When the water boils, add the chicken thighs, 1 slice of ginger, 2 sections of scallion. Cover the lid. Cook for 20 minutes, turn off heat, and let rest covered for 10 minutes. When done, turn the chicken thighs into cold water to cool for 10 minutes, take out and drain. Mix the Sichuan pepper powder, chili powder, and hot chili pepper in a big bowl. Heat up the vegetable oil in a frying pan on high heat. When the oil boils, add the remaining ginger, scallion, and Sichuan pepper. Cook for 3 minutes, turn off heat. Use a colander, pour hot oil into the Sichuan pepper powder mixture, stir to mix, and let rest for 1 minute. When time is up, add the sesame, ground peanut, and the seasonings, then mix well. Finally, chop the chicken thighs into pieces, drizzle the numb and spicy sauce, and sprinkle the coriander and scallion on top and serve. Enjoy!